Here are the 5 best dog diapers for heat. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. CuteBone Female Dog Diapers Washable. If you prefer cloth diapers for your dog, then CuteBone Female Dog Diapers might be the right choice for you. These come in a 3-pack and in various colors and designs. The hook and loop fasteners allow you to customize the fit for your individual dog, so they can grow along with your puppy. The diapers are machine washable and can be used as is for a female dog in heat. You don't need to add diaper liners or a cover, they are both absorbent and waterproof, so there won't be leakage or stains on your carpets or furniture. They are also soft and comfortable, so your furry friend will feel just fine during her heat. Number 2. Paw-inspired 32 CT Disposable Dog Diapers. The paw-inspired disposable dog diapers made the top of my list. Note that these are mainly for smaller dogs, as they go from size extra small to medium. The fasteners are repositionable, so you will be able to adjust the fit to your dog once it's on her. These diapers have dry speed technology to wick away moisture and turn it into gel, so your girl won't have any discomfort from sitting in a damp diaper. They have a hole for your dog's wagging tail, but if you have a dog without a tail, this brand will still work as long as you measure her correctly. Number 3. Surgi Snuggly Disposable Dog Diapers. If your dog won't keep her diapers on during her heat cycle, she's not alone. The Surgi Snuggly might be the answer you're searching for. This is a full body wrap that will stay on your dog and will hold her diaper or adhesive pad in place. It probably won't be enough to control her flow on its own, but it will solve the issue of not being able to keep a diaper on your dog. You can use a disposable diaper, a diaper pad, or a reusable diaper underneath. Even better, this wrap works to hold both male and female diapers on dogs. Number 4. Alfie Pet Maxine Diaper Dog Sanitary Pantie. If you are looking for a diaper for your dog that has a sweet ruffle attached, you're going to want to take a look at the Alfie Pet Sanitary Pantie. These work best when used with a sanitary pad. Simply stick it in the diaper in the appropriate spot. Your dog's tail will help keep the panties in place even if it's very short, but users said that it might not work as well with dogs who have no tail at all. You can also use this as a cover for disposable doggy diapers if you'd prefer. Number 5. With BBQT Adorable Reusable Washable. Sometimes you might want to cover your dog's disposable diaper for going on a walk, other times, your dog might not feel like having her disposable diaper on and might try to pull it off. A diaper cover can help. The BBQT Diaper Cover UPS are a set of 2 simply adorable strawberry-themed covers that will help conceal and protect your pup's diaper. The covers are made of soft cotton and are easy to toss in the washing machine. You can use them over a disposable diaper, or you can slide a diaper liner or a sanitary pad inside.
Thanks for watching the video.